my first unboxing. As you can see here, I've got the new things that have arrived. My new book has arrived from, if you see some flashing, it's just we're taking photographs at the same time. But it says, so my first unboxing, and here we go. So this book has taken like in a period of about a whole year and a half to actually do. I started writing this in August of 2017. So there we go. There you go. That's the first one. And that's the second one. And then we just flip that over and take that out. Flip that over and take that out. Take that one, thank you. And there we have it. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 books. Oh yeah. So you can get these on Amazon. You just put my name in, or the Treasure Atlantis, and you can find them there available at a discounted price now until the end of the month, and then they go back up to €15. I hope you like it.